How to post on Craigslist. Craigslist tutorial. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Craigslist, and there is a bunch of stuff you can actually do on Craigslist. So if you have a look down on the left hand side, you can see a bunch of details. First of all, you can create a posting, and there are a bunch of categories that you can actually have a posting in. Then you can also search on Craigslist for a posting. You can manage a calendar if you have some events and stuff that's going on. And then there's a bunch of the options that they offer you. There's help tabs. There are frequently asked questions. There is an abuse tab. There's legal stuff going on there. So there's a bunch of stuff going on there. Then basically what you can do is you are going to choose what category you're going to be posting in. So if you are perhaps renting a house, or you are looking for a house, or you are offering a service, maybe you are repairing bicycles. If you are selling something, maybe you are selling perfume. If you're looking for a job, you can now have a look through here and see what is available. You can also post through this avenue over here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go over to the left hand side, and we are going to tap on create a post. And right here, the next thing it's going to ask you is please limit each posting to a single area and category that's once every 48 hours. So it says here, what type of posting is this? So right over here, you want to know, are you offering a job? Are you offering a temp job, a resume? Are you offering a house? Are you wanting a house? Are you selling something? Are you wanting to buy something? So whatever it is that you want to do here, you can tap on or select whichever one you would like. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say for sale by owner. And here now we can start selling a product. So it says here, avoid scams, deal locally, and meet in person. It also says beware shipping, wire transfers, cashier checks, and so forth. They do also offer a learn more tab, so that if you want to learn more about how to operate within Craigslist, you can. It now offers you a category choice, so you can now choose what it is that you are selling. And let us choose appliances. We're going to just tap appliances right over here, and once you have tapped that, it'll throw you into the next page. So over here, you basically are going to define what it is that you're selling, all in as much detail as possible. Now, it's very important to remember, when you are posting an ad, you want to make sure that you're giving as much accurate information as possible. So I'm going to go through this process, put all the information in, and then explain it when I'm done. And there we go. Now I've put in all the information that is necessary. So first of all, you have the posting title. So I'm selling a flat screen TV, and then I have entered a price in right over here. Then your city or neighborhood that you are located in. If you want to specify a little bit further, you can then put the neighborhood that you're in. I'm going to just leave it exactly like that. And then you're also going to include your postal code. Right over here, your description is very important to make sure that your description is descriptive. So you want to try and cover all the questions that people may want to start asking once they actually see your ad. You want to leave nothing out, so people can actually just look at your ad and get all the information that they need. So very cool TV, it works well, it's got great color, and there's no damage. If there is damage, of course, you need to specify that there is damage. Then you can specify your contact details. It says contact me via, you can enter your email in over there, and then you can specify that you want to meet up at, and then you can specify the locations that you want to meet up at. So obviously, public locations are safer. You don't want to meet at your home. That's never ever a good idea. And obviously you never want to meet at the purchaser's home, because that can also be quite dangerous. Then you can also just specify whether or not your price is negotiable or not. I just said not negotiable. If it is negotiable, you can put it in there. Likely, if you do put it as negotiable, people will want to talk you down to a better price for them. So my advice is don't make it negotiable at all. As you travel down the page, you will actually see that you can enter the manufacturing details, the model number, the size or the dimensions of the product. You can also change the condition. So if it's new, good as new, excellent, good, fair, or a salvage, you can select that. And then obviously the language that you would prefer to communicate in. Then there are some options here. So you can accept cryptocurrency as payment right over there. You can select that. And then if you are willing to deliver, or if you're selling a product from an inventory and you sell those products and you have a delivery service, then you can select that on. And then the include more ads by this user link. So when you actually post your ad, you will have a link to some of the other jobs that you have. Now, this might be useful if you are selling a number of products. So let's say you're selling like perfumes and you have one ad for every type of perfume you have. Now people can access everything in one place. Then on the right at the bottom on the left hand side, you can enter your email over here. You can enter your email address that you want to get response to. You can also select your phone number. You can add in your details over here, and then you can also select whether you want phone calls only or text SMSs only. And once you're done with that, you can go down to the bottom of the page and you can click on continue. And before you can actually publish, you need to add some images. So if you are selling something like a flat screen TV, chances are people that are interested in buying it want to see some images of it. So it is important to make sure you're taking photographs of your product, whatever it is that you're selling, from every angle, every bit of detail. So make sure that you take maybe some images of the TV on in working condition. Take a photograph of the remote, take it from the back, from the left, from the right, the top, all the details. If you have any damage on the product that you're selling, make sure that you take photographs of the damage and specify it in your description so people know exactly what it is that they're buying. That will eliminate any complications at a later stage. And when you're done, all you do here is tap on finish with images, and then you will be able to review your page and you can then post it right over here. So if you travel down to the right hand side, you can just tap on publish at the bottom. There's also a publish tab right at the top over here. So we're going to jump back in here and I'm going to tap on create a posting again, and I'm going to just show you now how, instead of trying to sell something, now we are going to apply for a job. So we're not offering a job, we are going to say a resume or a job wanted. So we can just select that right over there. And then it says, which of these apply? I'm an individual seeking employment, offering or advertising a service. I am offering a job, or I'm offering childcare. So I'm just going to go ahead and say I am an individual seeking employment and tap on continue. Right over here, again, you have your posting title and all the other details, which I will fill in now and go through it when I'm done. And there we go, everything is now complete. So your posting title is receptionist, or whatever service or whatever job you are looking to acquire is right over there. And then again, your city or neighborhood, and if you want to narrow it down a little bit by sort of entering a neighborhood or a suburb, you can enter that in over there. And then as you move on, your postal code you can enter, and then the description. So you want to put in like a nice cover letter, because this is basically the first thing that people are going to see when they're looking at your job posting. So they want to see what you are about, who you are, what you excel in, and so forth. This is an important part. So right over here, the description, make sure it is a full description, and then you will have a better chance of being hired. Then you can also enter your availability, and you must select at least one as they specify. So as a receptionist, I believe, morning, afternoon, it'll be like a 9 to 5, and you'll be working weekdays. You can add in weekends, maybe if you are available to work like 6 days a week, like a Saturday, something like that. And then your education, you can enter whatever it is that you have a level of education in. If you are licensed, you can tap on the license tab right over here, and then you can just enter your license information. So once you're done there, then you can also select whether or not you want to be contacted by recruiters directly. So if you tap on that, then you won't only get people contacting you privately, but you'll also get recruiters contacting you. Again, email address on the left hand side, and then your phone number if you need your phone number in there. And when you're done, right at the bottom, you're going to tap on continue. So right over here, now you can add images. So if you want to add images of your CV or your resume, this is the area where you can do it. So all you have to do is tap on add images. You can also drag and drop files right over here, and there are a bunch of formats that it actually accepts. So you can actually just check out what formats they accept. So if you want to do PDF, you can do that, or any other images that you would like, and you can just throw it in right over there. And once you've done that, you can just tap on finish with images. And so this is basically like an overview of your post, and you can now go down, double check all the details. You can edit the post, you can edit the images right over here. You can tap on whatever it is that you need to, and then you can tap on publish right over here, and it will be published. And that's it. That is how you can actually post a listing on Craigslist. You can post all types of listings, whether you are buying, selling, looking for a job, offering a service, looking for a service, whatever it is. Craigslist is the place to be. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.